So a few days ago, I decided to create a brand new product and launch a brand new funnel to sell this product because I felt like there's a need for it. So I get to work, I chose the product, I built out the checkout page, the sales page, the learning dashboard, everything that's needed, the emails, all that good stuff. But here's the kicker. I actually did it in one day. That's right, I did it in just one working day. And this includes uploading all the learning materials to a learning management system, again, creating a, well, almost long form sales page in WordPress, adding the product itself to my checkout solution, which is ThriveCart, creating emails that basically drip the lessons out, creating abandoned cart emails, testing, all that good stuff. So all in all, it took me about 8 or 9 hours between the two. I measured it, but it wasn't 100% exact. But here's the thing. I asked my list about this recently. Would they be interested in me basically spilling the beans on how I actually did this, step by step, focusing on every major strategic step that I did while creating this funnel, because I felt like, creating something like this in just one day could be pretty useful for a lot of people, especially those who are struggling with perfectionism or with imposter syndrome, or who never really get stuff done, right? But the thing is, in terms of marketing success, shipping faster, shipping something that's just good enough, something that's quick and dirty, usually is better than waiting until you have the perfect solution, because everything is going to change. And just getting started with like version number 1, just like with agile software development, is much more powerful than just waiting until you have the holy grail, the best thing ever. Because hint, you're not gonna have the best thing ever. But since I sent out this email to my list asking them whether they'd be interested in this or not, I got tons of replies, and every single reply, apart from one, interestingly enough, but every single other reply, dozens and dozens of replies, obviously said that yes, they want to learn more about this. So I'm going to create a short video series about this. So we're actually going to be focusing on what I did step by step, exactly how I did it. So because I started with adding the product to my learning management system first, that's what this video is about. So let's just jump into my screen here. And as you can see, I'm using ThriveCart Learn for this. Now, for a while, I was using the regular version of ThriveCart Learn, but I recently upgraded to Learn Plus, which is a small extra as well. But the cool thing is that you get the basic version of ThriveCart Learn when you purchase ThriveCart as well, when you get a lifetime license here. And if you haven't heard about ThriveCart or ThriveCart Learn, it's basically probably one of the best, if not the best, checkout cart solutions out there that now also comes with the learning management platform integrated as well. And it's super powerful here. And I'm just building out these programs here as well, because for years I've been using MemberVault. And I also have a video about MemberVault, setting up the whole thing and how it works. And it's a pretty popular video, but I'm gonna move every single of my courses, every single one of them here. So all the students you see here, apart from my 8-week copywriting group implementation program, which I'm currently doing with 34 amazing students, apart from these, these students, they're just a handful of them who made purchases since I added these programs to this list, or most of them haven't really been moved anyway. But the cool thing about this whole ThriveCart Learn experience is that it's very easy to like immediately see everything from a strategic high-level point of view. You have courses, you have bundles, you can easily just bundle together something. For example, for my Remake Email Mastery course, I have 2 tiers for it. I have the regular one, and I have the ultimate one, which also comes with a 1-hour one-on-one extra coaching call with me as well. So this would be pretty complicated to set up in another learning management system platform. You'd probably have to have 2 different versions of the same thing. But here I can just do a bundle and say, when somebody purchases the ultimate version of the course, they get access to Remake Email Mastery, and they also get access to one-on-one coaching, which is added as a separate product here. And boom, that's it. I just link people to the bundle, page when they purchase the ultimate version. And we're going to talk about this in upcoming videos when I show you exactly how to set up the product in ThriveCart. But you have students, you have team as well. But the cool thing is that I created this course from zero to YouTube Ads Hero, and some of you might be familiar with this because it was actually a lead magnet of mine that I developed after I went through Kevin Rogers' Real Free Life coaching program in 2020, I think. Yeah, 2021? No, 2020. Yes. So for a brief time, I specialized on YouTube ads, and I created this. I created like a five lesson mini course on how to create a YouTube ad script using my 4-part hero formula. But the thing is, I never really got many subscribers from this. Okay, to be fair, I never really pushed it that hard, but it was just way too valuable for most people, and they wouldn't do the assignments, they just wouldn't complete the lessons, and it was just, there was a fundamental mismatch there. And after being told repeatedly by people who do complete it that, Csaba, this is just way too valuable to be a free little thing, I decided to finally repackage it into a $99 course. And I also, of course, added new bonuses. I added a 1-hour special masterclass I did about YouTube ads. I did this training for a mastermind called Dropshipping Council. It was a really cool presentation, I think, and I'm also including that and the slides to the program and some other bonuses as well. And people who go through this, they can send me their one of their YouTube ad scripts that they are going to write after implementing the hero formula, and I'm going to give them a personal review of this formula, so of their script actually. So it's a pretty cool bonus there. So safe to say, this is I think a really cool little product. And the reason why I decided to do something like this, since I had these assets already, right? I had the lessons already pre-recorded years ago. But they're still the same, just exactly relevant because they talk about the copywriting aspect in most cases. But I also have a separate updated cheat sheet that talks about the button pushing aspect of how to actually set up a lead generation YouTube ad that actually converts. So the cool thing about talking about the copy related stuff is, just like my 100-day proven sales letter breakdowns, they are timeless, right? So the way you hook people's attention and how you make them emotionally invested in your message and how you build desire and curiosity, it doesn't change, since human nature never really changes. It's the same thing, so it's almost impossible for these types of things to go obsolete, right? So that's why I wanted to create an evergreen course like this. And if we go into the lesson itself, just so you get a better idea of how this actually looks like, this is how it looks like. And the reason why I'm showing you this is that you have a better idea of how I'm hosting the videos on a service called bunny.net, but you can use any other service which you can just integrate videos with. And as you can see, it's very, very streamlined, nothing fancy, nothing complicated. It gets the job done for sure. So there's also an assignment here with people actually sending me their scripts for a review, people who buy this. And then there's the 8-step YouTube ads quick start guide as well. So when people click here, they'll be able to download this. And as you can see, this is kind of like more of like the step-by-step way on how to set up. So like, here's what you need to set up your Google Ads, your YouTube Ads account. Here's how basic funnels should look like. Here's what type of ads to use. Here's how you should target. If you want to do placement targeting or keyword targeting or remarketing, it doesn't really matter. I'm giving you all the pros and cons here, what to do, what not to do, and stuff like that. So this is the checklist that helps here. And there's the special masterclass as well, which is, as you can see, it's pretty in depth here. So as you can see, it's a long presentation. And then I always And then you also have the secret copy recipe. I tend to include this with everything I do nowadays because it's just so powerful and people tend to love it. But the reason why I'm showing you this is, first of all, if you know the concept of show, don't tell in copywriting, then you probably know why. But also because if you want to design a course for yourself, or you just want to repackage some of your old stuff that you have, or just create something quick and dirty that you can sell at an affordable price. In this case, it's $99 or 2 payments of $59. You know, you can. This is how you do it. Like you add like 5, 6, 7 lessons. You add some bonuses. You add some very helpful things. Maybe something that you know, adds extra value to people, like giving them your personal attention, at least a chunk of it, and then that's it. You have a pretty cool course. And the whole shtick with this one, with the Zero to YouTube Ads Hero, is that it's a step-by-step system for launching your first or next successful YouTube ads campaign from scratch, and it's a fast system. So, you know, when we talk about unique selling propositions, you either want to be the biggest, the most effective, the easiest, or something. This is definitely the fastest. It's not bloated at all. It has, this is the other program, the 8-week implementation program. But the cool thing is that you can get through this in 2 hours, and then maybe 1 or 2 hours more until you create your YouTube ad, you create the campaign itself. So in 5 hours, you could have your high converting YouTube ad lead campaign that brings you high quality leads, much better leads than Facebook. And based on how things are going with Facebook nowadays, a lot of people are moving to YouTube ads. And that's the reasons why I actually wanted to transition to creating something, giving people a very affordable way to also get started with YouTube ads as well. So the cool thing about this, this is the backend part of it, is that it's very easy for me to like add anything here. I can add heading, image, video, divider, HTML, whatever. It doesn't really matter. I can customize pretty much everything. I can customize the title styling, the sidebar styling, all that stuff, the spacing. You know, I can add a bunch of cool stuff here. And I also have a lot of advanced automations that I could do. I haven't implemented these yet, and these are part of Learn Plus, which, so again, when you buy ThriveCart, and if you heard about ThriveCart before or something, I'm gonna leave a link below this video there. And you know what? I'm gonna actually do something really special here. If you're interested in ThriveCart, and you buy it through my link, because a lot of affiliates selling this, and I'm also an affiliate for this, but that's not the primary reason why I'm doing this. It's more like this product itself. But if you buy ThriveCart through my link and you forward me your purchase receipt, I'm gonna give you one of my courses for free, either Rainmaker Email Mastery or From Zero to Copywriting Hero, but only until I'm doing these videos, only until I get to the end of this breakdown series of the funnel that I just created. Okay, so once again, when you buy ThriveCart through my link, and then you also get access to ThriveCart Learn, so everything I've showed you so far, then I'm gonna give you Rainmaker Email Mastery or From Zero to Copywriting Hero. You can choose which one, but this is only available until I'm doing this mini series here. But so far, everything I've showed you, it's just part of ThriveCart Learn. You get this all for free when you purchase ThriveCart itself. And you can add a bunch of behavior rules. So like when the student gets access to the course, add an existing tag to them in like ConvertKit, or you can even create like a custom HTML stuff here. If a student is paused or disabled or unenrolled, or if someone completes the course, you can add a tag to them so that you can send them an email sequence. You can directly send them a sequence from this as well. So it's really, really powerful if you think about it, because it integrates very deeply with your email service provider, and you can customize and gamify tons of stuff. So like even if like a new module becomes available to the student, then send them a sequence saying like, new stuff has been uploaded to your learning dashboard or something like that. So this is pretty powerful in itself, and you can also customize the registration page, customize login page. Decide what to do if you're selling something with a payment plan. Decide what to do until, like, if they don't pay, if their payment fails. Like, disable all access until payment is made, or pause dripping out new content until payment is paid. If you're dripping out your courses, or you have some sort of membership. And you can also like advertise this course on the learning dashboard of your students when they purchase another course as well. But another more cool, like an even more powerful thing, is you can create advanced sequences. And this is, to be fair, part of Learn Plus. So that's an extra $195, I think, apart from like the normal ThriveCart. But here you can do some crazy stuff. So for example, let's say there's a rule that triggers here. Let's say someone buys through a specific affiliate of yours, or any affiliate. Then you can give them a special bonus just for someone who buys through a specific affiliate of yours. So you can use this to personalize content that you deliver very easily. Or if someone buys within a date range, let's say you have a launch and you have some sort of special bonus that you give people only who purchase during your launch phase, during the first day of your campaign. Well, you can very easily do this with this one. So if they purchase within the range, but let me show you a few more examples. Or they live in certain countries, you can give them content based on geography. Is a repeat customer, has a tag, has been enrolled for a specific period or something, or they use a specific coupon. Let's say let's try I don't know, this one, confirm, and I can add more, or I can add or others. So I can really customize this. I can add cool actions. I can give them a course, I can remove them from a course, I can add them tags, unlock content, remove a tag, give an award. So again, a specific use case for this would be if someone buys through, if someone buys within a date range, and let's say today is the 5th of May, right? So let's say they buy between 6 and 7, then I'm gonna unlock all content, or apply a tag to them. And let's call this tag, I don't know, fast action bonus. Okay, fast action bonus. So I save this, and now what I can do is that, let's say I want to only give this special masterclass to people who have access to that tag. Well, here I can select, instead of all students, specific tags, and I say fast action bonus. I don't even have to like reload the page for this. Fast action bonus, save changes, boom. And this is, even though it's in the course, it's only visible for people who have that tag applied to them. That's it. It's so easy, right? And that's just one of the advanced sequences. Like, I can create a new rule. I can create unlimited ones. I can say if they complete a module or lesson, I can unlock new stuff for them, or give them an award or something. Or if it's a repeat customer, I can send them an email. Let's say they're a repeat customer. I can, I don't know, give them some sort of course. And, this could be an invitation to get on a discovery call with you, to pitch them your higher ticket coaching program or something, or one-on-one coaching, or just apply a tag that basically sends them an email from your autoresponder, or unlock content that you have, or something like that. So it's really freaking powerful. I'm gonna delete this rule now because I don't, and I'm gonna just have this. But I can also, like, instead of giving people everything all at once, I can also change access timing. I can drip out content based on time period, day of month, specific calendar date, or, and this is really powerful, guys, after a trial or rebuild. So let's say I want to only give them like 2 modules from my course when they have like a $1 trial for some time to my bigger course, right? So after they've passed that trial, and after they made at least one more payment, then I can unlock all the extra content as well. So this is really powerful. So I'm not gonna update anything here because I don't wanna like mess things up. I'm just gonna reload this, and hopefully it's gonna be okay. It says drip, but I'm just gonna change it to instant. Boom, save and exit, and that's it. It's super powerful. So that's why I want to like transition everything to ThriveCart Learn, every product that I have on MemberVault, because yes, MemberVault has some other tricks up its sleeve, but this one, ThriveCart Learn, is definitely aimed at marketers. Like all these powerful automations that you can do, and the bundles and everything is just so powerful. It's so easy to bundle things together, and it integrates directly with the checkout page part of ThriveCart, and I'm going to talk about this in more detail in my next video, and you're going to see how incredibly powerful this is. And you're going to see why I want to transition to this whole platform. Now, the one caveat is this is only for paid courses. So at the moment, there's no frictionless way to add people to free stuff on this platform, on ThriveCart Learn. Probably they're gonna add something like this, but at the moment, the best way to do it is to automatically apply a 100% off coupon to your checkout page, which can also act as kind of like a sign-up page. And use that if you want to create kind of like a subscriber hub. Because if you're on my list, you know that I have a subscriber hub that I give people access to when they subscribe to my list. And this includes tons of cool free resources that I have. But at the moment, I haven't been able to replicate that in a very, very easy way that they get access automatically in this platform. I'm probably going to find a way how to do it, and then I'm going to also do this. But until then, I'm keeping those people in MemberVault, or maybe do some sort of WordPress thing or something like that. But yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful, and it just shows you how powerful, how cool it is to create programs. And also with my flagship 8-week program that I'm doing here, like these are all the modules, and the lessons are hidden, but we're doing tons of cool stuff here, and we just had our fourth session, and we also had a special trainer here who came in, who was like a really big shot in the world of copywriting and marketing. He's been a real pro for decades, but there's a lot of great stuff here, and it's super easy to add people to this. So yeah, that's why I'm transitioning to this one. And if you also want to find a quicker way, an easier way to also sell your stuff online without messing around, without hiring other IT people or people who build sophisticated backend connections, I can definitely recommend ThriveCart Learn. And again, if you're interested in this, and I'm going to talk more about ThriveCart, but if you're interested in ThriveCart Learn or ThriveCart, then definitely check out the link in the description, because you're going to have an option to purchase. They're still available lifetime license deals. So this is not like Kajabi, this is not like ClickFunnels, this is not like Samcart in the sense that you have to pay monthly heavy fees. This is just one time that you purchase, and that's it. You're set up for life. And I bought into this, I think, more than 3 years ago, and I love it. I absolutely love it because it always works. I've generated a lot of money with this, and it just works. So it just works. I like how it looks. I like that it works out of the box. It's mobile optimized, and they're constantly adding new updates to it as well. So if you're interested in this, check out the link. And remember, as far as I'm doing these videos, so today is the 5th of May 2022. So for the next few days, I'm going to give a bonus to people who subscribe or buy ThriveCart through my link. And it's going to be, they're going to get either my Rainmaker Email Mastery course or my From Zero to Copywriting Hero course, all super powerful courses that help with a bunch of stuff. So, bunch of stuff. Rainmaker Email Mastery is if you want to be really good at email copywriting quickly, and From Zero to Copywriting Hero is like the full-on course on how to become a high-paid freelance copywriter, even if you're starting from scratch. But you can find more details about this on my website. I'm not gonna, talk about all sorts of different offers here, but check out the ThriveCart link, or of course check out the From Zero to YouTube as Hero link as well. I'm gonna leave a link to that, but in the third or fourth video of this series, I'm gonna break down the sales page that I did in like just a few hours for that, okay? So hopefully you're gonna also find that helpful. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.